Okay, so we had a storm brewing last night. No Halloween pun intended. And the roof blew off of the wood shop, and part of it is on the ground, and as you can see, part of it's up in the tree that Bob had delimbed, but we didn't completely take the full tree down yet. And some blew over here into our neighbor's yard and knocked the fence out, which really we were having issues with anyway. But still, knocked the fence out and went over into the neighbor's yard. But about where those parts of the ground are tore up over there in front of the tree. So we were up at 3 o'clock this morning. Well, I was, because the storm scared the shit out of me. And I woke Bobby up, and we had to go over in the neighbor's yard and pull out screws so that we could lift what was left over there on the ground and put it back over on our side of the fence, which is this mess right here. And then some of it we just moved over here because we own this part of the yard now, so we just kind of threw it over there because it was dark and we couldn't see very well. And as you can see, the crappy Power Ranger house is still standing, which doesn't make any damn sense to me. While this mess had to happen, but it is what it is. And we're running the generator this morning because we have not had power since all this mess happened. And Energy says that it probably won't get restored till about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon. So that's how my day's going, guys.